Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Food for Geeks. Today I'm going to show you how to make my Triple Decker Pancake Sandwich. Now, to make this, all you need is some simple stuff, like pancake mix, eggs, and 4 pieces of bacon. Alright, let's get going. Okay, now that everything's cooked, let's put our sandwich together. So, first off, 1 pancake, and then eggs, scrambled, 2 pieces of bacon, and then another pancake, and then repeat. And there you have it, folks. My Triple Decker Pancake Sandwich. Alright, that's all I got for you today. Like, subscribe, share, comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know of your take on, my Triple Decker Pancake Sandwich. Maybe you'd like to add something else. Maybe you want to take away something. Alright, that's all I got for you today. So as always, later.